Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome in a new video. Today we are going to talk about 20 most used words in our daily life. Let's start with the first one with their synonyms as well. Number 1 is actually, which means really. Number 2 is probably, which simply means maybe. Number 3 is improve, which means get better and better. Number 4 is prefer, which means likable or like more. Number 5 is happen, which means occur or take place. Number 6 is situation, which simply means condition. Number 7 is experience, which means knowledge. And you know that knowledge is power, so gain knowledge. Number 8 is important, which means big or something needed at essential state. Number 9 is possible, which means that could be possible or that can happen. We are halfway through. Number 10 is necessary, which synonym is must or needed. Number 11 is decide, which simply means choose or make a decision. Number 12 is believe, which means think it's true, something is going to be happen truly. Number 13 is describe, which means explain something. Number 14 is develop, which is one of the most important and daily used word in our daily life, which means grow or build. Number 15 is suggest, which means give an idea or a plan. Number 16 is continue, which means something is keep on going or keep going. 17th word is relation, which means make a connection with someone or something. Or you can simply say relationship. 18 is reason. This is also very common in our daily life, which means cause. Second last is opportunity. So don't waste any of learning opportunities, which means chance. And last but not the least important is comfortable, which means relaxed or easy. Do share, like the video, and leave a beautiful comment under the video for motivation, and hit the subscribe to reach me 1000 subscriber as quickly as possible.